Let's make fried rice with chili tofu. Here we've used Farms to Families tofu. We've cut them into slices. To this we've added some corn flour, some salt and mixed them well. Now in a pan, let's shallow fry the tofus from all sides. In a pan we'll take oil, we'll add garlic, some onions, green chili, 3 colored capsicum, red chili garlic oil, some vinegar, some soya sauce. To this we'll add corn flour slurry, in which we'll add half cup of water and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix them well and add it on the gravy. To this we'll add the fried tofu, some green spring onions, and our tofu chili is ready. Now we'll make fried rice. Here I've added oil, some garlic, some carrot, some beans. To this I've added vinegar, salt and red chili garlic oil by Farms to Families. We'll add some cooked rice, some spring onions, and our fried rice is ready. Now we'll pack our lunch. We'll add some cucumber, some fried rice, some chili tofu and some sprouts. And our tiffin is ready. Happy eating!